everyone, Elvira here. I've got the oven ready. We're going to use our meatloaf, the marinade. That's the marinade. We're going to use 1 onion, 10 olives, a piece of provolone, half container of 8-ounce mushrooms, a cracker, an egg, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Hope everybody's having a blessed Tuesday. I'm going to put that in there. Wash my hands. I got a lot done today. I got my first time in the gym. Wasn't too bad. I was quite surprised with myself. I was very pleased. Just a minute. Been all over today and just got everything done. I wanted to get my meatloaf in there for the dinner because I have to have lunch this week, and then next weekend will be regular schedule on Saturday because next week I start my regular workout. I couldn't and stuff. Tomorrow I gotta do my stair stepper twice for the day because that'll be my workout. Which I got 1,050 today on the regular one at the gym, and I was really surprised. I was like, wow, I'm proud of myself. That was 15 minutes. Woohoo! I think I'm really proud of myself from what I've accomplished, because when you have started as heavy as I was, and then to keep it up, and through the quarantine, people were saying to me, oh, I've gained weight, you know. I got emails from people. I didn't. I actually was able to lose, and I was really proud of myself. Because especially for me, it's been hard, you know, and stuff, so. I had a good workout. I was there too early, but I didn't know because when I looked online, it was telling me about all this paperwork, you know, that they required. And then when I got there, it wasn't really bad at all. So next week, then when I go Thursday, I won't have to go so early. And if I do get there, I'll just sit in the car. I don't really mind it because I just never know, like when I drive in a half hour, what I'm going to run into. I've actually had it sometimes where I've gotten stuck just at home. One time I was coming home, and I literally, and I just crashed this. Like that. The cracker. Got stuck in an accident, so you just never know what you're going to run into, and I always try to prepare myself because I never know in the mornings. And then I do take my Fit, I'm working on my Fit immune system one now. I drink it, and I always try to make sure I drink my whole gallon of water, and then 2 Fit teams for the day. And you're not going to add any more seasoned salt and pepper because we already did that. Sort of glad next week is back to normal routine and everything's back open. Church is open. I got to go to church today and got to get all my stuff done for church. So, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. I don't really measure on this one, but I'll just tell you to use 2 because it does work. That's what it's looking like. I'm going to use a loaf pan this time. Ooh, it smells good. And then what I do, let me wash my hands, is I grease a pan with some Crisco. And I'll show you how I do it. I just come over here with this. So just take my hand like that. And just get it around there. And then come over here. And grease off my hand. I'm a little sore today, but I knew I was going to after not, almost 3 months. 3 months of quarantine and just doing your exercises with cardio, and my stair stepper isn't like lifting weights and getting muscle. I got to get back into it. So yeah, just make sure it's mixed really good. And I just drop it. See what it looks like here. That's what it looks like. And then I just put it in the oven for about half hour, 45 minutes, so it's done. And I will be back to show you what it looks like and how many slices it makes and the calorie count. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. God bless everybody. Stay safe. Bye.